lovelies. Oh my god, it's been a while since the last one of these, but there was reason for that. It is time for a Spooky Box Club unboxing. So this is super late because, for one, it arrived to me quite late. I think my friend Dre, hers actually came to her while I was in America with her, like before mine got there, so I was like, damn it. But, which is super sad, because this is the Spooky Box Gothic Globetrotter box, and this came after I began my crazy month of travel, and I hadn't had time to unbox it, so like, now that I'm not traveling anymore, of course, my luck. So yeah, Gothic Globetrotter, but yeah, so this came after I went off to LA, and then I only had a week at home before I was off to Japan and then Korea, and I did not have time to record during that time because I was preparing for Japan and Korea, so yeah, like bad timing. Okay, that was like enough of an intro, so we're just gonna okay, so we're not gonna, I need to remember to read this though at the end because I keep forgetting to do that recently, I don't know why. So, remove the noodlies. Oh, it's cute. Okay, what have we got in here? Oh! This all would have been so much more useful to me. It's okay. I plan on doing lots of traveling next year, so I can use these things then. It's just bad timing. But this is a cobweb luggage strap, so that's pretty cool. So, so I don't know if this is like to carry your luggage or if you put this like around your luggage so you can tell which luggage is yours. I don't know what a luggage strap is, but it's pretty cool. Yeah, so it's this pretty purple thing, and it has one of like these, like these things, and it's like good and sturdy. So whatever the use for this, I am happy with it. I definitely like feel like this would be good to put like around your luggage in some way so that you can like tell which one is yours. Yeah, because it goes all big. Okay, cool. Next up is our lollipop. This is kind of like, what is it, like Rasta colors a little bit? Is that just me? Oh, this would have been so appropriate for the Japan and Korea trip. It's a cute little patch. And it says, best vacation ever. So yeah, that's such a shame. What's this? Ooh. Ooh, this. Oh, this is cute. I am hyped, super hyped. Oh, I do not like this camera right now. This is why I record downstairs with the boring background. This is a little like coffin with bat wings luggage strap. So you can put like your details on there in case it gets lost or anything. You can like fill in your name and your address and everything. And it's like you attach it and like how cute it is. I love it so much. Ah! This is so goddamn cool. Yes, and again, like be good for identifying your luggage. Oh, ooh, we have the charm for our charm bracelet. It is this lovely little spider guy. There he is. Very nice indeed. Oh my god, is this what I think it is? Ah, I think this is like a passport holder. Why does it keep going dark? I'm so mad. Well, anyway, this I believe is a passport holder. Where is my passport? Actually, I don't particularly want to like show the inside of my passport, but I'm pretty sure that's what this is. And that's like stylish passport. That's very exciting to me. So yes, I will double check on the little thing at the end that that's what this is, but then it has like a little Spooky Box Club like engraving on the back, and it has this pretty moon. Why didn't I get this before I was traveling? Ah! Spooky location luggage labels. Oh, is it like stickers? I don't have hard case luggage though. I have like soft, I don't know, it's like fabric luggage. But I have been wanting to get new luggage, and if I get it, I totally want it. Let me see. Oh, cute. Okay, so these are spooky locations luggage labels. We have a Get Lost in Bermuda, the Bermuda Triangle. We have like an ancient Egypt tag. There we go. Okay, so Loch Ness, Death Valley, ancient Egypt, Bermuda Triangle. This place in the Suicide Forest, I got bit in Transylvania. That's super cute. I was actually expecting them to be more along the lines of like fake spooky places, you know, like just like sort of like puns and stuff, which I think would be super cute as well. So if there's ever a future box like this, may I suggest like things like this but with like fake spooky like pun places, because I think that would be super cute as well. Then this appears to be the last thing, and this is a witchy travel shoe bag. Oh cute, I thought it was just like really plain and I was like that's a bit shit, but then it's not. Oh look, that's so cute. Oh, I really love that. I love like the little mushrooms and everything. Oh, and the shoes have like little bitty skulls on them, can you see? Oh, that's a lovely piece of art. So I guess this is like to put your shoes in so that it doesn't like, you know, get all your clothes and your suitcase dirty. That's so cute. I was like opening it up and all I thought it was just like a plain black bag with like a purple ribbon, and I was like, come on guys, that's a little, but then I was wrong. Look how cute, and it has a little Spooky Box Club label. That's so nice. So that is everything. I loved everything in this box. I'm so salty. Oh, we'll read this in a second. I'm so salty that it arrived like right after I left for all my adventures. I guess I'll just have to plan lots and lots more adventures in 2018. Yes. So we have custom made Dark Voyage passport cover. Yes, okay, it's dark again. We're just gonna have to live with it. Passport cover, witchy travel shoe bag. Yes, cobweb luggage strap. No explanation on how to use it. I'm just gonna assume that you put it around it to like make it look more unique. Batty coffin luggage tag. I loved that. Yes, I did. Custom made spider bracelet charm. Yes. Best vacation ever patch. Yes. Spooky luggage labels. Yes. And handcrafted gourmet lollipop. That is... that went further than I thought. That is everything. So I very much hope you enjoyed this. I certainly did, despite all the lighting changes. But yeah, that was super fun. I loved everything in there. Had a great time. As always, if you have any questions or anything, they don't go to me. If you go into the description box down there, there'll be a link to Spooky Box Club's website, and you can go and you can see how everything's done. You can email them and ask them questions because they're lovely people and they'll let you know. I just do these unboxings because they're fun. I am not staff, so remember to like, comment and subscribe. Remember to check out my Patreon because it's super very important. Very super fucking, it's important. Pray for my sanity because I'm about to just smash this camera into 1,000 little teeny tiny pieces. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye!